Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily add end screens to the end of your YouTube videos. So to start with, you first want to have your video uploaded and fill out all your details which you need to, for example the title, the description, add your thumbnail if you want to. And after that, you just want to slowly go through the process of uploading your video. So if you have monetization for your videos, select those settings, choose your ad suitability settings, and then after that's done, you end up in this video elements tab. Now you can do a few things with this. You can add subtitles, you can add cards, but you can also add the thing we want to do, which is end screens. So if you have used end screens before and you just wanted to copy the exact same end screen that you used in the past, what you can do is you can click import from video, and then from there you can just select which video you want to choose and it will be imported in automatically. However, if this is your first time adding in end screens, what you want to do is you want to first click add. If you look something like this, and it'll give you a few little preset options that you can actually do, or you can click element and you can add them yourself if you want to make something that's a bit more customized. So let's just say we're going to choose one of these presets here. What we would do is just select one. As you can see, this one shows my channel page, but it gives the person the option to subscribe. And on the right side, it will show a video which is best suited for the viewer. So this will change for each viewer, depending on what they search for and what type of videos they typically watch will depend on what sort of video will get shown to them. So the algorithm will basically choose the best video for that person. However, if you click on it, it gives you some other options. So if you wanted to promote only your most recent uploads, you can do this. Or if you want to choose a specific video, you can choose this, and then from there it will give the option to choose one. Now let's just say we've got it like this, but we've decided we want another one. We've got a video that's best for viewer, but now we want another one which shows the most recent upload as well. What we can do is we can click element in the top left corner, and then for this example we're just going to choose video. And now automatically this is set as the most recent upload. If you want it to be a specific video, you can click on this one at the bottom here. However, we're just going to keep it like that for now. So as you've probably seen before, and as you may actually have, some people have end screens at the end of their videos. Not like what I'm showing you now, but like a template, which is basically an outro for their video. So if you have certain elements like this that should be in certain places, you can just align it so that it fits in perfectly with your template and it looks nice for the viewer. And if you have done something like that, you might want to also adjust this down here. This will basically be how long it shows it for. So if your outro end screen thing is only like 10 seconds long, you obviously want to make it 10 seconds. This right here is 20 seconds, which might be a bit too long. And it might lead to viewers clicking off the video as they feel like the video is going to end. So you basically want to adjust all these settings to suit your channel the best, and basically just customize this to suit you exactly how you want it. So once you've done that, you can just click save, and once you see the tick next to it, that means it's saved and you're good to upload your video. If you decide you want to come back to it and edit it, you can just click this edit button next to it, and we're back on this page and we can switch stuff up. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to add end screens to your YouTube videos. If you did find this video helpful, please comment down below that helped you out, and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.